Couldn't keep quiet, could we? And invited to stay it between. 17. Sit in the master's chair.
I was trying to be hospitable.
Rubbish.
Cogsworth, can you blame me for trying to maintain what's left of our humanity? Look at us. Look at you.
What about me?
You always were insufferable. But every day you become a little more inflexible, a little more tightly wound, a little more ticked off.
Please, spare me the stupid part.
At least we're not as far gone as some of the others. You saw what happened to Michelle.
Yes, she was always too vain about her looks. Now that's exactly what she's become.
A vanity.
Little draws nearer the words.
And poor Jean-Claude.
Who?
Jean-Claude. You remember him? Not too bright, dumb as
A brick.
the whole wall.
Jean-Claude's a brick wall.
That's him in the kitchen behind the stove. And you know Guillaume, the houseboy?
That mealy-mouthed little bootlicker, I've never liked him. Always groveling at the master's feet.
He's a doormat.
Perfect.
It is something we foster with some of the others, but we are not too far behind. Slowly but surely, as every day passes, we will all gradually become things.
Why did we have to get dragged into this whole spell business? It's not like we tossed that poor old beggar woman out on her ear.
No. But are we now responsible too? For helping to make him the way he is?
I suppose so.
All I know is I will eventually melt away to nothing. I just hope there's something left of me if the master ever breaks the spell.
We've got to hold on.
Oh. Is someone here? Hello?
It's a girl.
Yes, I can see it's a girl.
It's a